Hey, what's up, geeks? I'm Darron Brown. This is your instructor of GeekMODE School of React Native. In this video, we're going to tackle the drawing book algorithm. So instead of reading this description, I'm just going to give you guys an idea of what we have to do. So in the sample input, we have 6 pages, and we want to get to page 2. So out of the 6 pages, we start on page 1, and we want to get to page 2. So we have to flip the, see what the minimum amount of pages that need to be turned to actually get to page 2 from page 1. So if we begin at page 1, it only takes us, we only have to turn the page 1 time to get to page 2, which would be the return value of 1. Now that's if we flip from 1 to 2. Now say we went backwards. We went from 1 to 6 to 5 to 4, from 3 to 2. You can already see that's more than 1 page. So we want to return the minimum number of pages that actually have to be flipped. And if you take a look at these examples, as you can see, if we start on page 1, it only takes us 1 page to go to 2. And if we start on page 1 and we go backwards, we'll flip to page 6, then to 4 to 5, and then from 3 to 2. Too many pages already. So you get the idea. I want you guys to scroll down, copy what we have here. All right, so make sure your screen looks identical to mine's. Now, if you see me looking back and forth, once again, that's because I've already completed this algorithm, so I need to use my code as a reference. So anyways, we're going to create a variable titled prime. We're going to set it equal to our number of pages. We're going to divide our number of pages by 2. And if our number of pages divided by 2 is 0, our prime is going to be equal to n minus 1. Or it's going to be equal to n. Next, we're going to create another variable titled from front. We're going to set this equal to math. Hey, what's up, guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. That floor. It's going to be the page number that we want to land on divided by 2. Then we're going to create another variable titled from back. I'm going to set this equal to math.floor. And we're going to get our prime number, and we're going to subtract the number of pages that we want, the page that we want to land on, and we're going to divide it by 2. Make sure everything looks good. All right. Now, if our number of pages divided by 2 is equal to 0, we're going to increment our from back. Okay, make sure that looks correct. All right. Lastly, we're going to return if from front is less than from back. We're going to return from front. Else, we're going to return from back. All right, so to save this, I want you guys to copy what we have here, paste it in. Let's run our code. Okay, everything's passing. Let's submit our code and see what happens. Okay, awesome. All of our tests have passed. If you guys have any algorithms that you want me to cover, I'll take a jab at it and see if I can figure it out. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.